It's definitely hard to describe everything that we do when someone says, what does C3 do? The short answer is we make machinery for mattresses. But the long answer is that we are an all-in-one solution provider for furniture manufacturers. But what I mean by solutions provider is we sell them the machine, but we also take care of that machine for the life of that machine. We sell them the parts that are required, just like parts for your car, to keep that machine running. And we look for ways that we can connect the machine into their entire production system.
And all of that is related to three value streams. The first being compression, where you can compress foam and compress product to be able to get it in packaging. The second is lamination, where you use glues and adhesives to glue products together. And then the third is automation, which is everything in between and getting products between those areas. So it's really about not only the equipment, but the aftermarket. So we know that we can support the customers and they can continue to drive productivity within their facilities.
C3 stands for Control Concept Corporations. The concept is the key word there. We put the ideas together and we turn it into an actual machine or a process. What we're structured around is, building products. So we want to build products and we want to build a full solutions integrator for these companies.
We have a whole new potential of future customers to work with. So it's not just the same old thing every day. We're always trying to innovate and invent something else to help our customers get their product out the door.
It has been interesting for me to watch how C3 has gone from primarily an engineering company with about 20 employees for about 20 years, 25 years, to who we are now as a leading OEM in an industry, a well-known consumer product industry with mattresses. It's been really interesting to reflect upon because it has me thinking, what's it going to be like in 5 years?
We have kind of been building on this foundation here where now we're expanding our portfolio of equipment, and we have some pretty cool technology out there. So now the next step is taking some of those same designs, same concepts, but finding ways that we can introduce those into separate markets. So I think that's an exciting part of our future.
We have 2 patents and a few more filed, but the variable roll cage and the hot melt. The variable roll cage sets us apart, has set us apart for many years.
How the end market grows, so will our company. And so picking out where we're going to strategically focus those value streams is really going to be critical for our growth here in the next 5 to 10 years. Are we adding value when we sit down with our customers and helping them understand how can we approach their problems? How can we help them figure out what are their unmet needs and apply either a technical solution to that, or maybe it's just a process change or whatever it may be that allows us to improve and change that unmet need into return on investment for their organization.